FPV, a way to see the world in a completely different perspective. A way to truly feel alive. When practicing to fly the drone and training in the simulator, the anticipation builds as you think about the freedom and the adventure of exploring the world from above. FPV offers something truly unique. It's perspective. It's not just about capturing what's in front of the lens. It's about seeing the unseen. The moment putting on the goggles, everything changes. The noise of the world fades and you're getting transported into a realm where limits disappear. Every flight is a chance to rediscover places we think we know. To view landscapes in a way no one else has before. It takes you where roads cannot, where trails end and where only imagination can lead. The rush of sweeping over mountaintops, diving into waterfalls or dancing inches above the ground. It's a feeling words can barely describe. It's not just flying. It's a way of freedom. And with every flight, I'm reminded why I love this. It's about sharing these moments, these perspectives, and these stories. FPV. It's a gateway to another world, a way to feel truly alive.